Hi, welcome back to my channel Glow Up Skin. I hope you all are doing really well. In today's video I will share with you are 5 ingredients that a dermatologist might advise you to avoid in DIY skincare recipes. Lemon juice. Although lemon juice is often touted as a natural skin brightener, it can actually cause skin irritation, sensitivity, and even chemical burns when used in high concentrations or left on the skin for too long. Baking soda. Baking soda is sometimes used in DIY skincare recipes as a gentle exfoliator, but it can be too harsh for many skin types and disrupt the skin's natural pH balance, leading to irritation, dryness, and even breakouts. Essential oils. While essential oils can provide natural fragrance and have therapeutic benefits, they can also be highly concentrated and irritating to the skin, especially when used in large amounts or on sensitive skin. Vinegar. Like lemon juice, vinegar is sometimes used in DIY skincare recipes to brighten and exfoliate the skin. However, vinegar is highly acidic and can damage the skin's protective barrier, leading to inflammation, dryness, and sensitivity. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is sometimes used in DIY skincare recipes as a natural disinfectant, but it can also damage the skin's protective barrier and cause irritation, especially when used in high concentrations or on sensitive skin. So these are the ingredients that you should avoid in any DIY skincare. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos.